2 national tournament appearances. While at Rockhurst, Anna has participated in the Christian Life community and is a member of the Sigma Theta Tau International Honor Society of Nursing. Her commitment to service is evidenced by her participation in a service immersion trip to El Salvador during her junior year in 2011. Anna is very excited to begin her career as a registered nurse this summer. I'm pleased to present Ms. Anna Alfonso.
Thank you, Dr. Breeze. Father Curran, Dr. DeBasio, Bishop Finn, faculty, family, friends, and fellow graduates. Words cannot describe how honored I am to speak to this graduating class of 2012. I am truly humbled in giving this speech. In reflecting on the experiences I've had with different individuals in this class, I began to panic, thinking I am way underqualified in comparison to most of my peers. The panic soon settled when I realized I'm lucky enough to stand in front of all of you and give a sincere message of thanks. Without having this honor, I would not have the opportunity to express my genuine admiration and gratitude to this class and this institution. I have been lucky enough to experience the campus of Rockhurst and Research College of Nursing. It has truly been a blessing getting to know the members of both faculties, and I have found lifelong mentors on each campus. I have also been able to represent this wonderful institution with the name on my soccer uniform. Representing Rockhurst in various cities was definitely an easy job because we realized we really do have the most beautiful and welcoming campus in our conference, and quite possibly the country. I loved having the opportunity to play the sport I loved while getting the education I desired. When I first entered the Rockhurst community, I had no expectation of the mission and core values of this institution to transform my life and shape my plans for the future. It is through the visions of Rockhurst and Research College of Nursing that leaders are made and students are transformed into confident, determined adults willing to make a difference in the world. Go forth and set the world on fire. These short words from St. Ignatius Loyola define the missions of Rockhurst and Research College of Nursing. Ignite your light and let it shine. A few years ago, each one of us entered the grounds of Rockhurst and found that we were a part of a small community with high expectations. Unlike many other institutions, Rockhurst had expectations that outweighed education alone. We have been expected to live as wise women and men dedicated to serve in some way. There are opportunities to serve in our immediate community of Kansas City and more opportunities to serve throughout the world. This service has been in the form of missions, education, and work. Whether our futures will be held in the field of nursing, business, education, nonprofits, or even another degree, we all are leaving Rockhurst with a background in serving others with love. As graduates, we are lucky enough to say we are fully prepared to take our next step in life and serve others in whatever calling we have in the future. My original idea was to touch on each core value of this institution, but that ran the risk of taking much longer than the short but very sweet 3 to 5 minutes I've been instructed to stay within. Instead, I decided to go with the theme of our year, finding God in all things. This is the first of 6 core values that define our institution, and it is a main statement in the Jesuit mission. Throughout the year, we have shared in the experiences of our peers, and we have been challenged to find God in our own lives. We are given the opportunity to find God through a warm welcome to new faces in the fall, the celebrations of Christmas in the winter, the beautiful tulips in the spring, and the overall pride that each hawk has for the school. So yes, finding God at Rockhurst is not much of a task. It is finding God in the world outside of our campus ground that we are challenged to do. As a nursing student, I was challenged to step foot outside of the Rockhurst campus and venture down the road every day to 2525 East Meyer Boulevard, Research College of Nursing. I remember our first welcome ceremony at Research, where older students handed out bags of goodies. These were tissues for tears, letters of inspiration, and a cool pen that lit up in some way. That welcome ceremony was one of many opportunities to find God outside of Rockhurst. The professors had the utmost patience and compassion for the students. I found that this faculty completely mirrored my experience at Rockhurst, and I can honestly say I never used those tissues given out that first day, but I could probably this afternoon. One of my favorite things about the nursing school is the emphasis on culturally competent care. Finding God at research helped me to become a culturally competent and confident nursing student, and I was privileged enough to take my experiences and education to El Salvador, a culture completely unknown to me. I was so touched by my experience in El Salvador because I saw God in every face of the men, women, and children of that country. In my years of experiences at Rockhurst and Research College of Nursing, finding God in one place only opened a door to a more beautiful image of God. I am determined to continue this trend in my career and life in general, and I encourage all of you to do the same. I want to take this time to wish you all the best of luck in your vocations, and I look forward to hearing about the many achievements in our future. I also want to thank the faculty and administration of Rockhurst University and Research College of Nursing for their encouragement and commitment these past 4 years. This community will forever be a part of us. Welcome to the real world class of 2012. And remember, the places may vary, but the idea remains. As graduates today, we are to go forth and set the world on fire. Thank you, and go Hawks.